Today is part 6 of Bootcamp series, and today we're going to talk mainly about window keyboard shortcuts. So what we want to do is get into window manager and keyboard. So my shortcut is control spacebar, and we'll go into window. And before we get into window manager where the keyboard is, we just go let's just go to the tweaks first. And right now, whenever I want to switch with the ALT tab, it shows this very large thumbnails, and I prefer that the thumbnail be smaller so I can see more programs. So we'll just click on that. Now we'll see that it's much smaller and it's easier to get around. So we'll do that, and then we'll close, and then we'll go into window manager this time. And then what we are mainly interested in keyboard here, but before we get to that, a lot of keyboards is gonna it's gonna eliminate need for minimize and the close even. So we'll just go ahead and make it easier for us and just close everything, so you can't really. So I find it much quicker with the keyboard, so I'll show you. So next we'll go to keyboard, and then window operation ALT space. Right now let me just tap on ALT in the space bar. I really don't use, so whatever you don't use, you just clear it. And then cycle windows, and then switch windows of same application, super tab. And I don't know exactly what that is, but then super and tab really doesn't do much, so I'm just going to clear it. Now, one of the main things that I found with long time use of Puppy Linux and Linux in general is that you can go ahead and close window rather than Alt F4, which is hard to do with a single hand. I'd rather just have F4. So what I want to do is just go ahead and edit, and then F4. So now F4. Let me just go ahead and demonstrate it. So we'll start the terminal, and then I'll just tap on F4 key. It closes it. So it closes any program. So I find that it doesn't really interfere with anything that I'm aware of. The other thing that for me, maximize window is Alt F10. This is what it does. It toggles on and off, maximize. I rather just have super and up arrow. Similarly, hide window, I'll just go ahead and super and down arrow. Move window is Alt F7 is fine, but I prefer, being a long-time Puppy Linux user, I prefer a Shift Control M. So Shift Control M, I'm going to do that, and just lets me move window. Alt F8 resize window is very helpful, and I'll just leave it alone. Alt F8. So it just resizes the window, which is very helpful, rather than trying to get to the border with the mouse. So stick window I don't use, raise window I don't use, or lower window I don't seem to use. Similarly, I don't use toggle above. Now to move window, I find this is very helpful. So let's move window to upper workspace. So let's see, I'm in right now I'm in workspace 2. I want to move down to the down space. So move down to bottom workspace. So it's going to move this window to the workspace below. So to do that, I prefer to have just Shift super and downward. So now let's just the upper space will shift super and up. Okay, now since we got those two, let's see if it works. So shift, super and down should move to the workspace down here. So let's see if it does. So indeed it does, and we're gonna move it up now to back where it was. So that's good. And then I don't really use all the others here. So I've cleared most of them, and I forgot to move window to the left and right workspace is very important. So because I have 6 workspaces, so similarly I to the left, shift, super and left arrow, to the right, shift, super and right arrow. Window, tile window to the left and to the right. So it moves quickly to the left or right. So we'll go ahead and tile window to the left, super and left arrow, tile window to the super and right arrow, and then let's go ahead and test it. Super and right arrow, open up, so here it is, super and left or right arrow. Okay, and you can define it further exactly where you want it. Show the desktop right now is Control Alt and D. So Control Alt and D. So being a lazy guy, it makes it I'll just rather just use Super and D. So I can just close or hide all the running application and look at the bottom. So down right now we're in the upper workspace. Let's bottom workspace. So let's just change that to, so it's not going to move it, it's just, so we're just going to use shift, control and down arrow. So let's, and then upper workspace, shift, control, upward. Okay, now let's see if it moves, it goes down with a keyboard. So it's a shift, control, down, so it does. Shift, control, up, goes back. Okay, so similarly we want to shift, control, left and right. So shift, control, left, shift, control, right. And workspace, because of shift workspaces with the keyboard, I don't really need all the others. So I'm going to clear the last one and add workspace. And I don't deviate from 6 workspaces, so I don't need these keyboard commands. And close. And then now let me demonstrate a few of the things that we did. So this is to move the terminal. I changed the keyboard so it moves it with shift, control, M, and then to the left tile, right tile, maximize and toggle maximize, and then close is I can either use X or F4.